Bluey sat alone in the backyard. Her head hung low, her paws trembling. Why does everything feel so heavy? Tears rolled down her cheeks. She felt completely lost. Bingo ran over. She asked softly, "Are you okay?" Bluey shook her head. "I just feel so sad. Nothing seems fun anymore." Dad appeared at the gate. Mom followed closely. They knelt beside her. "Why are you so down?" Bluey whispered, "I can't stop thinking about my mistakes." Bingo hugged her tightly. "It's okay. We're here for you." Bluey sniffled. She looked at her sister. Could someone really care this much? The sun shone gently. The wind brushed her fur. Bluey took a deep breath. Could she find hope again? She tried to stand. Dad smiled warmly. He said, "Sometimes we all feel broken." Mom nodded. "And that's when we need love the most." Bluey listened carefully. Could love really heal this pain? Bingo grabbed her paw. "Let's take it one step at a time." Bluey nodded slowly. She felt a tiny spark of courage. Step by step they walked. The garden seemed brighter. Flowers swayed in the soft breeze. Bluey lifted her head. Could happiness return slowly? Suddenly, a butterfly landed on her paw. Bluey gasped in surprise. Its colors sparkled beautifully. Could something so small bring joy? She laughed softly. Her sadness eased. The family smiled together. Bluey realized she wasn't alone. She felt warmth spreading in her heart. Bluey hugged Bingo tightly. "Thank you for being here, for caring." She whispered, "Hope is real." Her tail wagged slowly. "And you. Yes, you. If you felt this story, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.